Hello everyone. Today I am playing with this fun little Filbert brush and wanted to paint an easy flower. Filbert brush really is like a staple for your flowers. So let's just use both the side of my brush and the flat part because after all it's shaped like a petal. So I'm just going to go in and start creating these fun petals, just using both the side and also, I just wet my brush by the way, the fat part of my brush. And let's pick up a tiny bit of pink too. There we go. Oh, isn't that pretty? Such pretty colors, aren't they? There we go. So I'm switching my brush back and forth. And I've had eucalyptus sitting around here that I purchased over at the farmer's market. So that is the type of leaf I'm going to put around that. Is these wonderful little eucalyptus leaves. I'm even letting them blend in a bit, maybe tap in just a tiny bit of blue. Mine had a lot of blue in them. Then back into my green. This is a sap green, by the way. So pretty. I'm even spreading in the tiniest bit of that pink in there, and look at those. So that green and the pink together create this wonderful kind of silvery green. And let's do a few more down near the bottom here. Letting that spread into that beautiful color, adding in some blue. Look at that spread, isn't that gorgeous? And let's do one more leaf over here. I just love the eucalyptus. I think they are so gorgeous and they last forever even when they dry. And then watch this. I'm even going to use the side of my brush and you can get these wonderful thin lines. Look at that. So maybe you want to bring another leaf out or a bud, but look at how fun that is. There you go. And I almost feel like I need to add a little bit of a dark color in the center, almost like an anemone. So let's go ahead and go in. I'm just going to give this a quick shot though. There we go. I know my heat gun sounds like it's pooping out on me, doesn't it? So I don't typically use straight black. I use like a Prussian blue, which is what I've got right here. So let me just show you that. There we go. Almost like anemone type of flower. Isn't that pretty? And then I'll let that dry. And how about if we go around the outer edge with just a little, maybe some buds. Ooh, yeah, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh, love it. Oh, yeah. So pretty. Look at those beautiful colors. Purple and green are somewhat complementary, so I think they're really pretty. And let me see, I'm debating if I should add something in there, but I really don't feel like I need to. So I think that's going to be it. I'll go ahead and just tap in a tiny bit at the base of these just to get a pretty spread like that. And I think we're good. All right, I hope you guys try. I was using an 8-round brush and 140-pound cold pressed paper, but look at how beautiful that is. I just love those colors together. And that Filbert brush is just the perfect little floral brush. If you don't have that in your little collection and you like florals, definitely think about getting that. Okay, happy painting, everybody.